Hey, look at this, we're going up a log flume. Hi everyone! Hi! Woohoo! You excited?
Yeah!
Yeah, we're all going up. And it looks quite high. It's so much fun! Excited, Eden? Yeah! Woohoo! Oh, let's turn this camera around. Invader going up. Whee! Hi Invader people. Woo! Oh, that's nice. That was nice. Did you get splashing? Oh no! Oh! Again. Oh, it's nice, isn't it, Eden?
Is this the same one as in Florida?
I don't know actually. It might be the same layout. I can't tell.
How many people are on this? One there, real close to that.
Yeah. I get to wave at the lady. Yeah? Excited? Hi! Here we go! Woo!
They're ruining my shoes.
How's she getting on? Oh no!
No, you're not really that wet. You're wetter from your fruit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Should we film you on the drop? Oh, looks like we're going towards a big house. What could possibly happen here? There's lots of axes, ropes, saws. Oh no! What's going to happen?
No!
It looks like a big drop. That was nice.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Was that good, Eden? Woohoo! Woo! That was the wettest part. Woohoo! Oh, goodness me. That's Alpengeister. Oh, goodness me. Oh, it's massive. Yeah?